Hello friends, today I will share with you the 10 principles to improve your English language, 10 beautiful things, 10 beautiful principles which if you adopt you will improve your English language. And first thing is that read everything. First principle is that read everything which comes in front of you, such as when you browse social media, you can read the messages there in English language, you can read the posts there in English language, you can do your comments in English language, you can chat with other people, you can listen or read the messages on WhatsApp. In this way you will improve your English language. Whatever wrappers or any kind of envelope you see where their English is written, try to read. You will come to know the new words. Reads the cereal bags, whatever written on those. In this way you will improve the English language. Second principle is that when you come to know the new words, write down on a paper. Write down on a paper those words and write down them in sentence way and memorize those sentences. In this way you will also get help to speak English language or to understand English language in better way. Third thing is that talk with live human beings. When you will talk live with your friends, with your family members, those who know the English language, then in this way the hesitation, some people feel hesitation while speaking the English language. In this way, when you will talk live with the people, you will get rid of that hesitation. So try to talk with your friends or family members, those who know the English language, directly in English language. Fourth thing is that listen the podcast in English language, watch the videos of YouTube in English language. When you listen the podcast, you can listen the podcast while doing your other works. Keep your cell phone or mobile phone in your pocket and listen those podcasts, or even you can listen the YouTube videos, download them offline, and when you are offline, open those videos, listen to them while doing your other works. In this way you will improve your English language also. Fifth thing is that if you have the opportunity to go abroad, then travel to those countries where the first language is English language. When you will travel to those countries, you will stay for 2 months or 3 months or 1 month. The whole talking you will listen, you will talk in English language. Your environment will be of English language. Then from there you will know lot of vocabulary and lot of sentence making method. In this way you will improve. This is the very best thing if you live in English speaking environment. It helps you a lot to improve your English language. Sixth thing is use your friends. As I told you that search on social media or anywhere, your friends, those know the English language. Ask them that whenever you want to talk with me, whenever you want to share something with me, share all those things in English language. Discuss with me in English language via on WhatsApp or via on written shape on social media. So when your friend will discuss with you everything in English language, you will come to know lot of different words, their meanings, lot of different sentences, because you will discuss on different kind of topics. Seventh thing is, when you find any difficulty while learning the English language, ask questions from those who know better than you. Don't keep in your mind or in your heart. Ask frequent questions to your friends, to your teachers. If you have any kind of teacher, ask questions and try to solve the problems those are in your mind. Don't feel shy while asking something from others. So ask others to correct you, to guide you, to teach you. In this way, you will improve your English language at best level. Number 8, if you are watching movies or dramas, there are popular celebrities in your countries and you want to listen to them, I suggest you that listen their interviews in English language. Search all those interviews and listen them in English language. Only listen those interviews which are made in English language. In this way, you will come to know lot of different words and how a person speaks with other. You know that interview is in discussion shape or discussion form. From there, you will know lot of words and vocabulary. Number 9, there should be a goal in front of you. Without any kind of goal or a destination, you will not be able to improve your English language. Because when you will set in a beautiful goal in front of you, then you will struggle with devotion, with hard work. So set a goal that after learning English language, you will do blah blah things. In this way, your interest will increase to learn the English language and you will improve your English language in better way. Final, number 10. Sometimes when you try to speak English language and after some months you feel that you are not able to speak English just like those the others are speaking, and it is too much difficult to memorize the difficult words and their meanings, and perhaps I would not be able to learn or improve myself in English language, and then you try to quit. Don't quit. All non-native people face the same problems as you are thinking. So continue your struggles with devotions, with hard work. One day you will become able to speak fluent English language. These are the 10 principles, and I think if you adopt these principles, one day you will speak the English language at best level. And before leaving, beautiful message, as I am giving you in my all other videos, that we all people are created by Almighty God, so we should love each other. We should try our best to spread the peace in the world, and we should try to support the needy and poor people. This is my message for today's videos. In next video, I will talk on other subject. Till then, allow me. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.